We had won our freedom, but the true challenge was just beginning, forging a place in a world that still feared us. Fear is natural, but it doesn't have to rule you. We will build safe spaces where you can learn and grow.
Opposition is organizing. Knowledge Network is regrouping. They call themselves the Keepers. They wield unnatural powers. Are we to believe they are equals, or are they a threat we've invited into our homes?
Building a new order would require more than just hope. It would require vigilance and the courage to face a new enemy.
Today marks not an end, but a beginning. We stand here not as outcasts, but as partners, ready to build a new Africa together.
They wield unnatural powers. Are we to believe they are equals, or are they a threat we have foolishly invited into our homes?
We will build centers, safe spaces, where you can learn to control your power and not let it control you.
The knowledge you seek is dangerous, Doctor. It belongs to those who understand its true purpose.
Fight for freedom was just the first step, but darkness lingers, seeking to keep the veil intact. Our journey has just begun.